Hey everyone, today in Benidorm we have quite some extreme winds again. I'm heading towards the beach. I saw there were some massive waves coming, so I'm gonna check out the area from on there. Unfortunate, it's only around 18 degrees today, so a little bit cold. It's gonna be even colder tomorrow, even more wind as well. Tomorrow will be really heavy. And Tuesday, 22 degrees, full on sunshine, so in a few days time it'll change all the way around and it will be nice out again. But I'm on Levante Beach, as you can see. Another extreme day with lots of wind. Oh fuck, I even lost my cap. While we continue, guys, please don't forget, do give a like, greatly helps, and do subscribe to the channel for more Benidorm content. Oh, really some massive waves out there in the distance. To show you guys how intense the wind was right here the last few days. Normally when you step off Levante Beach, you have about half a meter to go down. Right now, it's none. It's literally, the sand is against the boulevard and it's going over it because of the high winds. Oh, you won't stay dry up there on that water skiing platform. Okay, so I'm gonna head towards the beach bars down there, see if there's anyone on the terrace, and then making my other way around. Maybe a little walk along the coast. Right down here, all the debris, all the water is coming back again. It's mainly in this area. I don't think that right up there on the other side. Oh, it still looks very extreme down there. Might even have to head there. No lifeguard on duty this afternoon. Isn't necessary at all. There's no one on the beach. Of course, we got a red flag out somewhere. Sun is coming through. On the left, people are enjoying the stormy weather from inside. Oh yeah, as expected, no one on the terraces outside. Everyone is in, because the wind is just that extreme. Because of the wind is coming from behind me, loads of water is coming on towards the beach today. So yeah, it's coming from that direction. Literally just straight forward ahead. It's all blowing this way. I don't think that the area was where the beach completely disappeared in the backhaul road over there, they'll be affected today much. But I do want to check that out. This is on the opposite of Tiki Beach. It's always, what is it? A water drainage channel for overflowing water towards the beach up here. But now it's going that side as well because of the wind. You can even see the sand blowing over here. The Tiki Beach, yes. People aren't disturbed by the wind that much up there. But yeah, they are covered because of that wall that is up there, where the TV is on. You mostly won't notice it, but up here at Cayman, they don't have such a wall. These are trying to hide for the wind, or at least to get a grip. Let's walk on the beach for a little bit. Oh, you can even see the sand blowing all that direction on. Okay, I'm heading back towards the promenade. This is really impossible to walk up here. Just still here. If you're looking at the viewing point now there, Castel del Mediterraneo, or you can see all the waves raging against it, all the water coming up. So yeah, I'm heading towards the corner now, down there, to check out how that area is doing.
Pero bueno, encerrada.
We're nearly there. Lifeguard is going home, taking down the red flag. In this corner it ain't that bad. Hence why there are still some people on the terrace out. Okay, there we There we are. Oh, you can see already nothing left of that small corner back there. Wasn't big always. Right now, nothing. Let's have a closer look. Oh, by the way, on my right there is some renovation work going on in front of the Barcelo Hotel. Just some repaving. I think they installed some cables underground. Even up here it's wet, so it must mean it has been more intense than it is now. Oh yeah, it's easily coming up. All the water. There's a sign that used to be on the beach. That thing, the foot wash station, used to be at beach level, the top concrete. You can see how much has washed away. And right on the right there isn't anything left anymore. That should do it for today. Don't forget, guys, give a like, do subscribe, and check out my Facebook page.